wake up! Steve! Steve! Steve!
That was Jack Evan Johnson with Self-Made Man here on WKON. Coming up next, a double doozy from Dude City. But first, I want to tell you about a giveaway coming up. Today, and today only, me, Scooter Jenkins, will be at Tugnasty's Auto World from 3 to 5, giving away a set of 4 WKON signature hubcaps. Just look for the WKON van out front, and if you want a picture of me and my WKON windbreaker, well, I might just oblige. We're getting back to the music here for the next 30 minutes on the station that brings you more of what you're funkin' for. WKON.
Holy crap! A set of WKON signature hubcaps. I gotta wake up Steve.
Exhaust Defenders! Steve Exhaust was a mild-mannered philanthropist. One day, while stopping for coffee, a flighty woman spilled her drink on his car during a lightning storm. The surge of energy brought his car to life as a chick with an attitude named Sandy. Now they must ride together and defend those that need defending.
Wake up, Steve! Steve! Steve, wake up! Damn it, I really want those hubcaps! Looks like I'm gonna have to pull a code 29, designated driver. I know Steve told me never to do this again, but desperate times call for desperate actions. Dang it, I'm early. I'll go behind the store and find a place to wait. Here's a good place to park for a while. I'll set my alarm for 2:30 so I don't miss out.
Hey, what's this? It looks like a car.
Man, I know it's a car, but look, it's just sitting there waiting to get jacked.
Yeah, but what if it's like one of those bait cars?
What's a bait car?
You don't know what a bait car is? It's
No.
one of those cars that cops put widgets and trackers on so if it gets stolen, they can track the bed.
Oh yeah, I heard of those.
Yeah.
Man, Sneaky Blues. Hey, J-Joe, there's a blow-up doll in the driver's seat.
That's crazy. You know what it is? It's probably because people like to use it in the passenger seat so they can use carpool lane.
Yeah, but it's in the driver's seat.
Yeah, that's weird, man.
What the hell's going on?
It's locked.
Let's check the back, Rico.
Oh, you yahoos want to play.
Hey, J-Joe, look at this. License plate says Sandy.
Don't get too close now.
What the hell? That trunk just popped open and hit me in my face.
Jackpot!
I know how we're gonna get in. A little snip snap, I'll have this baby hot wired in no time.
Okay, now what's this son of a bitch think he's doing? Okay, I have a taken a leak in a while. How about now?
Oh man, what the hell?
Merry Christmas, bitch!
Hey, you okay, bro? Hey, yo, man, I did not sign up for this, man.
You bastards don't have a chance. How about we try this?
And the window just rolled down.
I think I could just reach in there and unlock it.
Oh, I don't think that's a good idea.
Up she goes.
Ah! Ah!
Yo, that thing got your arm!
I know, man!
And now we moved.
What the hell? What? Hey, J-Joe, get me out of here!
You on your own, brother?
J-Joe! You bojo!
You look a little dirty. Looks like you need a bath, sir.
Hey, let go. Let the car off. Hey, let go. I said let go. Let the car off. Ooh, no. Ah, come on. No, come on. Ah. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. What the hell?
Well, I think this guy's had enough.
God damn.
The police have been called and are on their way. I love that for you. Oh, shit. Hello?
Sandy, where are you?
I just went out to get some free hubcaps. WKON was doing a free giveaway.
Sandy, you know you're not supposed to be driving alone.
But I have Ethel.
Sandy, I told you, your inflatable doll is not okay. What if you got pulled over?
Yeah, I know, but you were sleeping. I had to get over there before it was too late.
Is it too late now?
No.
Well, come get me. I'll take you over there and we'll get those hubcaps.
Oh, can I meet DJ Scooter Jenkins?
What? We'll talk about that.
I'll be right there.
Well, your daddy's in the business, your mama's in it too. Your buddy's on the TV, you'll be honest soon. 1, 2, well, good goddamn. Yeah. Well, good goddamn. I'm a self-made man, baby. I'm a self-made man.
Hey, what is this?
Looks like a car, man.
Man, I know it's a car, but it's just sitting here by itself waiting to get jacked.
What if it's like one of those bait cars?
A bait what?
A bait car. You know, cops put widgets and trackers on it. That way, when it gets stolen, they can get busted.
Oh yeah, I heard of those.